Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $115,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.